Leo.
What's up, Fred?
Got something special for you to read. Hope you like it.
Sure I will. Excuse me.
What?
I'm freezing. Could I have some extra sheets?
No, it's not gonna happen. What are you doing up this late?
Stop busting my balls, man. I'm not doing anything.
Go to bed, inmate.
I'm not tired. Leave me alone.
You, go to sleep.
Yes, sir. Just gonna take a leak.
Go to bed, inmate.
I don't want to sleep. Just leave me alone.
All right, I'm done. Hey, get over here and I'll give you the tool.
Hey, guard.
What do you want?
I want to ask a question.
What now?
How much do you make an hour as a guard?
More than you make being a prisoner. Now go to bed. Go to sleep.
I'm on my way. Just clearing my head first.
Hey, guard.
What do you want?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah, now go back to bed. Go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
Go to bed, inmate.
I'm not bothering anyone, am I? Just leave me be, man.
Hey, guard.
What do you want?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah, now go back to bed. You, go to sleep.
I don't wanna. I'm fine. Hey, Leo. Yeah, I'm done. all right. Let's wait until the lights go out.
Lights out!
Vincent.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, this smell, man. Vincent, come over here and help me. should be able to stop the fan with this. Hey! I can't hold this forever! Go through! Don't let it go.
Leo, I need some help here. Finally, something to stop the fan with.
Quickly, go through. Hold it! God damn it!
Do you see a way to shut down the fan?
All right, shut down. Come on through. I can't do this alone. Get over here. It's a long way down.
Yeah.
We're gonna need something to get down there.
Yeah, we do.
Hold on. Over here. Check this out.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking sheets.
All right, let me hear it.
Okay. We need to find a way into this room. Once we do that, we can get the sheets in here.
Sounds easy enough.
Problem is, they don't allow inmates in there.
You think we can sneak in somehow?
Yeah, but we're gonna need to get a hold of a laundry cart. Once we have the cart, one of us has to hide in it.
Then what?
The guard will inspect it, and then bring it to the back room.
What do you mean they're gonna inspect it?
Don't worry about it, they don't look too hard. As long as we're covered in some sheets, we should be fine.
Okay. Hey man, I could use one of them carts back there.
Sure. Name and number, please.
Vincent Moretti, 3465.
Vincent. Nope, there's no Vincent here. Sorry.
You look like you're a smoking kind of guy.
Well, I guess I probably am.
You know, I got a good pack right here. I think it's got your name on it.
Ah, thank you.
Why don't you go and treat yourself?
I might just do that.
You okay?
Yeah, man. I just gotta get
Here
rid of
you
dirt.
go.
You know, dirt leads to germs. Germs leads to disease, and disease leads to death.
You're definitely not okay. All right, don't get out now.
I'm not planning to.
Remember, stay hidden.
Of course.
And no sudden moves.
Shh. Stop talking, man. They're gonna get suspicious.
Yeah.
Put in more sheets. More sheets.
Okay, we're all set. Cover yourself.
Okay, see what we have here. All right, looks good. Get out of the way.
Okay, time to get rid of that guard now. Hey, what are you up to?
Damn washing machines keep breaking down all the time.
What's wrong with them?
I don't know, man. They just keep breaking down. Pieces of shit.
What the?
What? Who's him?
I
didn't
guess
do
I need
anything.
Leo in here
Why the
to
fuck
help
you
me
do
with
that
this.
for, man?
Hey, jackass. You just punched me in the head.
Who the fuck do you
Huh?
think you are, man?
Mind your own
Shit.
fucking
I'm gonna
business,
turn
all right?
you into
You want me to
goddamn
fuck you up? I'm gonna
smelly-ass
fuck you up right
motherfucking
now. Huh?
Raccoon, motherfucker.
What the hell? Break it up, guys! Stop! Enough! Get out of the way! Come on now! Get off each other! Stop!
There's the vent. Now we need to put the sheets into it.
Come on, hand me some sheets.
Yeah, I'm coming.
All right, that should do it.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Not a fan of heights?
Not really.
Let's hope these sheets will hold together then.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, it's sheets, not a rope. You never know.
Oh, shit. Ready to get down there?
Really? It's pitch black. We need a light.
Ah, fuck it. I'll go first.
You okay?
Yeah, we need a light, man. See if we can find some light.
Yeah.
Can't see shit down here. Damn, this water's disgusting. How the hell did you end up there?
I just slid down.
Oh, god damn it. This water smells like shit. Ah!
Well, it is shit.
Are you being funny now?
No, I'm just stating facts. You're wading in actual shit.
Fuck you, man.
Hey, the water's being drained. See if you can find an opening. Another valve over here, Leo. Looks like that one stopped the water flow. It's locked.
Vincent, hand me the flashlight.
Ah, shit!
Shit. This should work. It's locked. Vincent, help me. Let's just hope there are no rats down here.
Probably is.
Yeah, like I said, let's hope there aren't.
You're not scared of rats, are you?
Me? I'm not scared. It's just that, you know, whatever. They're disgusting.
Right.
Shit. Guard, up there. This way.